Okay. I'm gonna rinse this out before I use it.
You shouldn't flood. I mean,
gotta rinse it out.
it should like overflow.
Okay.
That's a lot of bubbles. As you can see, he's pouring the whole thing in there. It's not a lie.
Okay. Now that's in the bowl, it doesn't look as hard.
Yeah. That's all of it.
Okay, there you go. Fresh. Oh, push all the Sprite into my face.
That was funny.
Okay.
Three, two, one. See, he's drinking all of it.
I can't do that. No, there's no way. There's still so much left.
Yeah, look at all that, guys.
There's no way I can do that. There's no way I can do a whole 2 liter.
Yeah, he can't. Why you can't? Jack, you
It's
gotta,
harder than it looks, Wyatt.
Jack, you should have got that ready.
I have this
Jack.
much left and I already burped.
I bet you I could do all that without burping.
Okay, go for it.
Okay.
What's up?
Our brother's gonna do it.
Harder than it looks.
What is your drinking?
Yep. You're right, it really does make you want to throw up.
Why just swallow? If you swallow, then you won't burp. Keep on swallowing, and you won't burp. Ah, dang it.
I almost burped.
How much you got left? You got a lot.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, it's harder than it looks, huh?
Look what I got. The same thing. I think
I knew it. I knew it.
Keep going, Wyatt.
Why, keep going.
Do over the
Keep
sink.
going, keep going, keep going.
Makes you want to throw up, doesn't it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. It looks a lot easier when it's in the bowl, too. It's not.
Okay? Jack, don't record it if he comes up.
Shut up, Mason. God dang. Yeah, you can't do it. Okay, Mason, you're up.
I tried.
Wait, how much left is in there?
Not a lot.
A decent amount.
That's quite a decent amount. Okay, Mason, finish it.
Oh, God.
Finish strong.
That actually made my stomach hurt. Holy crap. Next time I'll do it, I'll be really thirsty. I'll just wait. You're not gonna finish it. There's no way. Yeah, why? It's a lot harder than you think it is.
I couldn't tell how much there was in there. I thought it was a little bit.
I did too. When I
Pee
poured.
after this.
Yeah, it's not.
Oh, crap.
Just keep swallowing. You said.
Oh.
Keep going.
Come on, you guys.
Oh, God, it's hurt my stomach so
I know
bad.
that's what it does. It's okay. Finish it. Come on, finish strong. You have a little bit left.
Oh, God.
If you don't do it, I'll finish it.
Or you can do it, Wyatt.
Okay. Finish it.
Finish it.
You don't even burp.
You need to burp yet.
I'm getting ready to.
Yeah, there's not that much in there, so it doesn't really matter. Is that the rest? Oh no, there's still more in there. Gone through 3 people, and this is the 4th time.
This is a lot. And he got 2 of them.
Come on, keep going. A little bit left. Didn't even do the whole 2 liter.
You're not gonna get sick.
Ugh.
Yeah, I shouldn't have done it
I got
the
it.
first time.
Yes, baby.
Excuse me.
Make me burp.
Come on, Wyatt, go. Finish it.
Oh my god.
This is gonna be funny. Drink the rest of it.
No, I'm trying
Drink.
to.
I'll give you $1. Drink the rest of it.
I'll do it.
What?
Wyatt, stop talking.
Go.
I think each time you talk, you let air out, which makes it easier not to burp. So stop talking.
Okay.
Stop breathing.
Come on, Wyatt, jog it. I still
Chug.
got it in me.
Chug. 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 Is that the rest of it?
Nope.
Bro, there's still more.
Hold on.
Bro.
Couldn't do it. So bad.
Is there still more?
Yeah. Holy
Mason,
cow.
finish it.
No. What?
Whatever.
String the rest of it. It's like more. It's like half. Not even half a cup. It's like a quarter.
Dang, that was a lot harder than it looks. Now it's just one.
Don't throw up in there. Sid.
That was just 1 2 liter. Holy crap.
Gosh, that's so hard.
Oh, 2 liters over here.
No, I'm not drinking the rest.
That's the second round.
No.
In case the first one failed, which I didn't expect the first one to fail. But it did fail.
I don't even do it, Jack. Oh.
Jack, you can't do that.
Okay.
Like and subscribe.